What is going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. Guys, we have a lot to go over in today's episode. I mean, just for starters, the fact that Bitcoin has now exploded to over $64,000. We actually retested $64,000 yesterday is absolutely insane. But similar to yesterday, I'm going to switch things up. Two videos today. First one in the morning, which you're watching right now, is going to be on XRP and Solana. And then in the afternoon, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as the S&P 500, as there's a lot of news articles, a lot of weird stuff that has happened. So if you want to stay put, later on in today's video, later on into today, we're going to put out another video talking about why we saw Bitcoin kind of see some weird moves. That'll be later on, so stay tuned for that. But specifically, we need to be focusing in on what exactly is going on with XRP. I will at times be kind of referencing Bitcoin because I think it's very much so correlated with the way these markets are trending right now within a lot of these major cryptocurrencies here. But a lot of crazy stuff is happening right now, and I don't want to waste any more time, and I really don't want you guys to miss it. So with that being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's episode. So guys, super quick before we dive into the technical analysis, BitFi has finally sent me, I was telling you guys yesterday, their new limited time campaign offer here, which is giving away 550 USDT in light of the major runs that is happening within cryptocurrency, as well as us getting near the Bitcoin halving, which is very exciting. So if you want to claim your $550 in free cryptocurrency, make sure to click that link down in the description below ASAP. You can see this is the reward time. It's from now, or actually, it starts in 2 days, but I think they're going to have it up today. We'll see. But this starts March 1st to March 15th here, but I'm pretty sure you can claim it today down below here. And you can see you can earn $550 by registering, depositing, and trading. It's literally that simple, so make sure to check it out ASAP. More so moving forward, and I'll tell you more about BitFi's easier ways to earn some free bonus crypto later on in today's video. But the main focus, like I said today, is going to be on XRP as well as Solana here. And you can see in regards to yesterday's videos, we've pretty much talked about the fact that everything has been just erupting and exploding constantly right now since we called the breakout. And you can see specifically Bitcoin, we saw the sideways channel and we broke to the upside here. And this explosion within Bitcoin soaring us to the upside has actually caused money to kind of trickle down into other cryptocurrencies like XRP, so on and so forth. A lot of you guys are thinking XRP is dead, and I can totally understand and see why that is. Furthermore, global crypto market is up at 2.32 trillion, up 5.5% today, but we are in extreme greed. And extreme greed nonetheless, 86 on that indicator, which is a red flag here. But you can see Bitcoin is up 21% for the week, Ethereum 16, Solana 22%, another crypto we're going to easily capitalize on, as well as XRP up 9.5%. It's obviously the weakest hand, unfortunately, here. Doge is up 53%. Insane. Same thing, 32% for the day. Every crypto and every altcoin is exploding as I speak. Like I said yesterday, you throw money into this market, you're destined to land and hit and make something here. But the focus is on XRP. As you guys know, we've been tracking XRP for a long time, specifically within this bull flag that has recently formed. You can see if I go to the weekly here, we've actually been tracking, and we've seen historically that XRP likes to form these kind of bull flag formations here consistently since last year. Since January 1st of last year, we had multiple kind of bull flag formations here. I've tracked every single one into completion here. We had 4, and we're currently in the 5th, and you can see the start of this breakout here. We have a bull flag. This is the flag pull up, the lower high, lower low trend down. We've clearly drawn on a downtrend here that's stemmed since November of 2023. So November, December, January, and pretty much the end of February here, we're just starting to complete it and break above it, which is definitely exciting. But things are a little bit risque, and I'll explain why that is. You can see with this flag pull up, the lower low and lower high pattern here to the downside here, creating a solid price ceiling. More so, the fact is this major resistance here. We're hitting a problem zone here. Now, yesterday or 2 days ago, I had mentioned that just because we see or are starting to trend above here, and with yesterday I mentioned too, just because we confirm closure above here does not mean we buy in conservatively, because I have an audience that's kind of split, you guys. We have people that are super aggressive, want to get in and trade within the day, and then I have other people that, you know, have a life. Well, I don't want to say that, excuse me, have a job, have work, have things they can't be glued to their phone. They have school, class, whatever it is. I understand, and I'm kind of more on that side too. They want a more passive approach to this here, and with that, you have to be more conservative. You can't be as risky here. And this is a good opportunity, a good window that represents it. So just because we confirm closure above here doesn't mean it's time to buy in. Why? Because we have moving average, which is problematic. We have a price ceiling, which is the main reason, but we also have, we're getting near overbought. But the main reason is this price ceiling here. Just because we confirm closure above here doesn't mean we're going to explode. Problem is, because of this resistance and that price ceiling causing the markets to get pulled down, we need to stay above, or we need to break above that to conservatively buy in. Now, I did mention yesterday that you could buy in here. It is an aggressive trade. We do see swings to the upside here. If I jump to the 4-hour, maybe we'll get a better peak. Ideally, not the best, but you can see we do tend to head up, and we are currently doing that. It wasn't anything to write home about. And this major, manipulation here that happened because of Coinbase definitely was no help within the markets here. But ideally, we did move up to the upside here. And if you were in a 4-hour trade, then this is the risky part here because we haven't yet broken through it. We've wicked above it for sure, but we haven't broken through that, and that's why I'm saying it's definitely an aggressive and risky move to be buying in this early into this crypto, and that's why conservatively, if you guys are ready to buy in, the wait would be once we confirm closure above this resistance. So if we close like we were trying to do today, and you could see this is now 3 days, going on 3 days of attempting to break through it. We haven't yet. We need to break through this and close above on the daily for us to then expect to see prices swing to the upside. And because we haven't done that just yet, I'm not ready to put money into XRP at this moment. And it's unfortunate, but it is what it is. Now, obviously, when we do, we'll take advantage of this on BidFi because BidFi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. It lets you buy long and it lets you sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you'd want to do is offered on BidFi, including welcome rewards, as well as the demo trading account. So on top of being able to now earn over $550 in USDT, and I believe Bitcoin bonus. They don't specify that, but it might be said down below. I would just infer it's bonus money, which you can capitalize on anyway. But if not, it is then free crypto. But you can see here, you can then earn $2,888 in rewards, in coupons and other unique things here. You can see it all here. Bonus as well as coupons here, which can be used at whenever you want. You can have, there's tons of different ways to earn all these free cryptocurrencies, completing feedback, doing all this different stuff here. They then have advanced tasks, and then they have exclusive tasks. So tons of stuff for you to earn free cryptocurrency, as well as for those that maybe are trying to get into crypto that don't know how, or are confused, or are nervous. BidFi has created a bonus platform, or a demo account, not only on the mobile app, but also on the computer, which allows you to practice your skills and practice my trades risk-free. If you want to copy my trades in my Patreon, which is down in the description, you can copy them using the demo account, get familiar with the platform, get familiar with yourself, learn if you have what it takes to trade, or if you have the emotions to handle the trading. And then, you can switch on over to the live account. They give you 50K Monopoly money to test your skills. And then when you're ready, you switch on over to here and you can, actually, get in the real thing, so just consider that. It's been pretty cool. We had a very solid trade just a couple of days ago here. It was well over 30% just on this small buy-in opportunity once we broke out of the sideways channel. I've said it and I'll say it again. It is so textbook. When markets trend sideways here, breakouts typically occur, and that's what we saw in Bitcoin. But anywho, and they also have XRP to trade. It's not just Bitcoin here. They have tons. XRP is right up here that you can leverage trade, which is awesome too. But you can see this is what we're waiting for on a conservative scale. However, Solana is different too. Solana actually, we've been tracking. We thought maybe we would be seeing what could be a double top. As you can see, we had a beautiful pull flag that we capitalized on. This is the flag pull, the flag itself. Confirmed breakout, rally to the upside. Then we hit resistance here and started a fumble, which if we zoom out a little bit, you can see kind of resembles a double top. However, you can see that's starting to change. We're now actually above major uptrend, which is very exciting here. We are entering overbought, but that's not something to say. That's not a red flag because we've been well overbought in the past on a lot of these other cryptos. It's becoming less of a indicator to reference here. MACD looks good, bullish cross. Ideally, hopefully we don't pump even higher. You could buy in. I don't want you to FOMO in, but it is definitely an option here. You can see on the 4-hour charts, This was another dead giveaway too. Once we confirm closure above this, and this is pretty much the symbol that we've been waiting on, the 4-hour or the daily. Daily is more for conservative, but if you want to play it on an aggressive trend, when we had this major resistance, we really haven't had, we haven't been able to break through here, but when we did, you can see right here, this could have been that opportunity in the short term to buy in long. And jumping to the daily here, currently, if you wait for us to close today, you could also buy in with the anticipation of us moving higher, and move that stop loss up gradually, which is pretty cool as well, just to lock in some profits. So there's many options that you have that you can take advantage of, but everything is looking very bullish here. We might start to cool off a little bit, come back down to support, but ideally, I think we're going to continue up, and we've pretty much proven that right here. So because we've confirmed closure above this, I say it's fair game right now for a lot of these major cryptos. So definitely, stick around. We've been in a bull market, but now we're starting to get the attention that we've all been patiently waiting for. It might not be individual investors, but the private equities, big companies, they're the ones pumping into these markets here, especially with the halving coming up. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.